Yeah, hello, yeah. So I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The name still remain the same. I'm Kenneth Rhymes, a co-founder of Rundel Technology Company. Yeah, so I welcome all my new subscribers and the old ones as well. I welcome you all to your fresh and new episode on my humble and noble platform. Yeah. So today I want to show you a new dollar arbitrage in Nigeria. Yeah. A new dollar arbitrage in Nigeria. So no time to waste. We'll be using three apps. So we'll be using Ramitano, Paxful, and Xness. Yeah. So if you don't have all these apps, I will leave the link in my description so that you can also download the app and follow what I'm about to teach you. Yeah. So if you log in into the account of Ramitano, this is how it looks like. This is your wallet. You see, this my wallet. I have 54,211 naira in my account right now. Yeah. So if I go to my wallet, so if I open my wallet, this is how the wallet looks like. You have an Naira account, Bitcoin account, and you have your USDT account. Yeah. So today you'll be focusing on USDT. Yeah. So before we can make profits, we have to what, buy the USDT at a lower rate and sell it at a higher rate. So this how we will be what doing it. So first of all, we will go to buy sell crypto. Yeah. So right now, when I check the P2P rate on Ramatano, this how it is. If I'm buying USDT, that means I will spend what 1,148 naira to get what 1 USDT. And imagine you have 1 USDT and you want to sell it on this app, you'll be selling it at the rate of what 1,141 naira. Yeah. But today we want to what buy the USDT and sell it as well. So follow what I'm about to teach you. So are we seeing that we have selling distance? So we will click on what buy now. So the buy now, this is how it is. You see, this is how it is. So let's say right now I have how much in my wallet? 54,000 naira in my wallet. So let's say I want to buy 50,000, 50,000. So spending 50,000 on the USDT, it means that I'll be getting what 43.54 USDT. Spending the 50,000 naira on the USDT, I'll be getting what 43.54 USDT. Yeah. So if I buy the USDT, so if I buy the USDT right now, this is how I'll be doing this. So if I click on it and buy it, and I go to my wallet here, my wallet here, my wallet here, it will reflect in my USDT account. You see, it will reflect in my USDT account. Right now, I have some money in my what Bitcoin account, but the USDT account is very small, so it will reflect here. So when it will reflect here, then I will withdraw the money. So watch it very well. I will withdraw the money from here to Xness. So this is how I will do it. I'll go to Xness and I'll go to deposit USDT. Then I'll copy my TRC20 address and I'll come to Remitano and I'll go back. I hope you're following the steps very well. So when I go back, I'll come to the USDT and I'll come to us withdraw. So the withdrawal, we have many bays. So I want to withdraw straight from here. And let me tell you one thing. If you're withdrawing money from Remitano to let's say Xness or Binance, they will deduct you $1 per anything you do. You see, yeah. But they have some secret websites. That one, like, you don't need to spend any $1 on any address. Yeah. But for the tutorial 6, so let's focus on this one. So I'll send via crypto and I'll select my wallets. You see. Then I'll enter the amount. So it will reflect in my account over here, in my Exodus account. So when it reflects in my Exodus account, I'll go straight to what Paxful. I hope you're following what I'm teaching. I'll go straight to what to Paxful. So let me go to the Paxful main their dashboard so that you will know what I'm saying. So when you log in into Paxful first of all, you have to what, take a minute to verify your phone number before you can do any trade on Paxful. You have to what, verify your phone number and enable the two-factor authentication, because if you don't enable this thing, you may end up losing your money. So you have to what, enable this authentication if you don't want to lose your money. Yeah. So I'll come to Paxful here and I'll go to sell. And so far, remember I have 40, 43 USDT in my account. Let me check again. I spent 50,000. So 43.54. So let's say 44 or 43. Let's say 43. Yeah, 43. So it means that for me to get profit from this thing, I have to what, make more than the 50,000 naira I invested in this USDT. Yeah. So I'll go to sell. Sell. And let me show you one secret. When I come to sell, this one, I have to change the location. Though I'm in Ghana, so I'm doing it for Nigerians, so I have to change the location. So the currency will change. Yeah. And this one I have to change it to USDT. Yeah. So this how you'll be making your money. Have you seen that we have offer location over here? Yeah. Have you seen that we have offer location over here? Yeah. So first of all, this offer location means that I want to trade with people from what, Nigeria. I hope you understand. I want to trade with people from what, Nigeria. So let's say I want to get, let's say, 60,000 naira. So if I click on this thing, the find offers or search for offers for you. Have you seen that? This is a new trick I'm showing you people. It's automatically like search for offers for you, and these offers are people who are currently online, who are currently what's online. And remember, I bought the USDT at the rate of what, 1,148. 1,148. Let me show you so that you know. 1,148. Yeah. So it means that I have to sell this USDT at a rate of, let's say, 1,002 going. Yeah. So this one are the offers. The offers. And everything that they are all online. So I'll search for a good offer and I'll jump straight towards to trade with them. So currently, these are the people online right now, and the good offer in it is 1,150, but it's not good to me. Yeah, it's not good to me. Yeah. So So this what we will be doing. Let's search for Thailand. Thailand. Yeah. Let's click on find offer. Yeah. So this Thailand. And one trick is in Asia, their rates to the USDT is very, very good. So it doesn't matter doing trade with people from Thailand or people from any country. This is the tip I'm showing right now. So this is how you do it. Are we seeing 33.71 THB? You have to do this first. 36.TH1. 36 point. You have to check and see that the rate you want to what you want to do your trade is very good. THB to naira to naira. 36 THB to naira is what 844.89. It's very poor. It's very poor. You see, so Thailand to rate is not what it's not good. So you'll be doing this until you find what a country with what good rate. The reason why I'm doing this video is that doing this arbitrage, you don't need to focus on, let's say, one country. You see, you can add your calculator to it and Google to it. So you can search for countries, other countries, let's say other Asian countries, South American countries. After that, you will search for their currency rates to, let's say, naira. If the rate is very good, you will jump straight to what to it and do the trade with them. I hope you understand it. So you don't need to focus on, let's say, only Nigerian people or only Ghanaian people or no. You can search for more countries and what do trade with them. Don't focus on only one country. I hope you understand it. Yeah. So if I'm doing trade with this person, with American people, so 1.01 USDT, 1.01 1.01 dollars to naira. So I'll set it 0.01 to naira. It's what 820.62. It's still not good. You see, it's still not good. It's still not good. So let's search whether we will get. It's still not good. So let's go to naira and see something. Find vendors. Okay. So let's do with this person. We spent 1,000 How much did I spend? 1,148. Yeah. So I think I have someone to do the trade with. So have you seen this person? This person have the rate of what? 1,426.66 what? 7. Yeah, so this person, I want to do the trade with this person. So it means that I want to receive say 60,000 from this person, 6,000 naira from this person. That means I will be releasing 42.0 USDT to this person. But you have to remember that I have what 44 or something. I have how much? Let me check it. I spent 50,000. I have 44. Let's say 44 USDT. Yeah. So it means that I still have to add something to it. 65. No, it's too much. 64. 63. Let's see. 62. 62. 8. 62. Let's say 62. 2. I think it's very cool. Yeah. So if I want to sell my USDT to this person, that means I'll be receiving 62,200 naira from this person. And remember, I spent what 50,000. I spent 50,000 on Ramatano to get this 43.598. So it means that if I deduct 50,000 from 50,000 from 62,200, I have interest of what 12,200. Are we seeing it? I have interest of what 12,200. So imagine doing this thing like multiple times. You see, imagine doing this thing multiple times. And this one, the reason why I withdraw the money from Ramatano to Exchange is that Ramatano, when you are doing trade over there, the withdrawal process takes longer time. But Exchange is very fast. That is why I withdraw the money to Exchange. So it means that if I want to release the money to this person, I'll release it straight from Exchange to this person because everybody have time limits. And if you check this person, the trade time is what 1 hour 30 minutes. And Ramatano, the withdrawal process can take even more than 5 hours. But Actionist is very fast. That is why I withdraw the money from Ramatano to what Actionist. And it's very simple. You see. So if you do this thing, automatically you're making profit from like I invested like 50,000 naira, and right now I've made profits of what? Profits of 12,200. So imagine doing this thing 10 times. So 12,200 times 10. 12,200 times 10 is 122,000 naira. 122,000 naira. Yeah. So I think I'm done. And if you have any question, I will leave my WhatsApp link in my description or even my number on the screen. You can chat to me and I'll guide you. I'm out.